Hello, my name is Elan Davies. I'm the Red Meat Technical Officer for South East Wales. I'm here today with one of our focus farms, which is Birchfield Farm with Sarah and Aston James. There's a project ongoing here at the moment. It started last year and it's looking into high frequency weighing of lambs.
Hi, I'm Sarah James and we're here at Birchfield Farm and we've been running a project for Farming Connect weighing lambs starting last year. So we weighed lambs every 2 weeks to monitor the daily live weight gain, and we did blood tests and sampled the ewes to see actually what was going on with regards to our deficiencies here on farm. We've been here 12 years and sometimes we've managed to fatten lambs and sometimes we haven't. It's hit and miss the seasons. So we did some blood tests on the ewes and the lambs and we were selenium deficient, and we discovered that we had rumen fluke in the ewes but not in the lambs. So we had to change the drench because we're on a wet farm here, it's heavy clay. So we had been drenching quite heavily for fluke, so obviously that was unproductive. We've done the monitoring, we sold a lot of stores last year as well as some on the fat, but we do find it difficult to fatten. So we're hoping that the project will help us to be able to finish lambs here. So the continued monitoring of everything as well as the soils and ground will hopefully mean that we can finish better here at a more sustainable production level. Moving into Brexit and things, we want to be able to ensure that our business is sustainable through those times with a product that doesn't seem to be very popular in the marketplace at the moment. So it's going to come down to cost. So we're hoping that actually working out our cost of production per kilo per acre will really help us to be a sustainable business and survive in the future, whatever it holds.